Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here in Washington, D.C. Doing the property out here is owned by the government, and we are servicing them. It was a referral from one of my colleagues that I know in the industry. She couldn't handle the job, so she referred me to them, and they gave me a call. As you can see, it is really soiled. I've already started this. We're doing an encapsulation via buffer. And as you can see, it is really, really heavily soiled. I guess, I don't know if they had parties here or whatever the case may be, but we are summons to take care of it. So there's one of two. There's a adjacent one behind me, and we're going to take care of this for them. So yeah, we are licensed and insured. So if there's any other properties that needs to be taken care of, this company is definitely going to seek me out. I did talk to him briefly. He does have some other properties that needs to be taken care of. So we're just gonna try to blow their socks off here, and so that way they keep using us moving forward. There are some challenging stains here. I'm not gonna lie to you. So a little bit of chemistry is involved here. All right, stand by so that way we can show you the after. This is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here at part two of this commercial job in DC, and this is the other side. Pretty soiled. Like I said, I have no idea what they do here, but looks like a lot of spills, things of that nature. But we're gonna try to do our best. That's all we can do. Once again, this was a referral.
Yeah, majority of those stains, you got them out.
I sure did.
Yeah.
All right, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're all done here. Took us about 6 hours or so. As you can see, it looks really, really remarkable. The clients here in DC are extremely thorough. They didn't know it could come out even like this. They even said, how's he gonna do this? Well, we showed them. Oh, it looks real good. And this is part two. This came out terrific. This room I thought was gonna be extremely hard, but actually I think it was just a lot of organic stain that came out with some pre-spray. Amazing. Whew. Yeah, baby. I am pleased with this work.